JC here, 3-2 Choppers. So, we had these MoonEyes oil bags for sale, 3 quart. And nobody jumped on one of them. And as you can see here, it's got a ding here, and there's a couple little dents here and here. So what we decided to do is we're gonna cut it in half. Woo! That is separation, baby. Yeah. We're gonna fix these dents. And then we're gonna weld them back together upside down. No, just kidding. We're gonna weld them back together the way they're supposed to be. Get them cleaned up, get them fit, and then we're gonna reuse it. And that's the plan. So guys, just check back. And, you know, we'll post videos along the way. But if you want to see what a MoonEyes bag looks like, check it out. A little bit of penetration right there. A little bit of penetration right here, not all the way around. Same thing here. A little penetration on the bung, but not all the way around. But wells look good. But yeah, so this is the project. We'll see how it comes out. Get back with us. Boom!